In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add block quote in Webflow. We'll walk through adding a block quote to your page, making sure it's properly selected, exploring the key panels you'll use to configure it, and then publishing your changes so you can see them live. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer. Make sure you're on the page and section where you want your quote to appear, because Webflow will add new elements into whatever parent element you currently have selected. Open the Add panel. If you don't see it, look for the plus icon along the left side of the designer. Inside the Add panel, switch to the Elements view so you can browse the full list of components. Next, expand the Typography section. If it's collapsed, click it to open. If it's already open, just confirm you can see the text-related elements. Here you'll find the block quote component. Click it to add a block quote to your selected area. Clicking is a quick way to insert it without dragging, and it helps ensure it lands inside the correct container. With the new quote element highlighted on the canvas, head to the Settings panel. This is where you can confirm element-level details, like the semantic tag being a proper block quote. Keeping the correct tag helps with accessibility and SEO, signaling to browsers and screen readers that this text is an attributed quote. Click the quote on the canvas again to make sure it remains selected. Now, switch over to the Style panel. This is where most of your visual customization happens. Give the block quote a class name so you can reuse the style across your site. Then adjust typography settings like font, size, line height, and color. For classic quote styling, consider adding a subtle left border, some padding to breathe around the text, and a slightly different background or text color to set it apart from regular paragraphs. If your design includes a citation, style the citation text to be smaller or lighter, so the quote remains the visual focus. Remember to check spacing above and below the block quote so it flows neatly within your layout. When you're satisfied with the look, open the Interactions panel. This is the place to attach any animations, like a gentle fade in as the quote scrolls into view. Interactions are optional, but they can add polish when used sparingly. Finally, publish your changes. Click Publish to push the updated page to your preview domain, and review the block quote live to ensure it reads clearly.